My particular problem with my mouth is over the years I'd really neglected my teeth. My question was about doing an all-in-4 procedure. He explained what it would entail, and at that point he had the x-rays, the bones, the upper lower jaw, to make sure that it would take properly. The first time I sat down with Dr. Kovacs, first of all, he's a very pleasant person. He walks in the room, you feel relaxed. So that was, he's got that big smile, he's got that warm handshake. So it just lowered all the tension in the room. And so he explained what he was going to do and how he was going to do it. I left here happy, no pain. He gave me a prescription, and it was a very positive experience for the whole situation. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. I wanted to have something as close to what God gave me as humanly possible. And the first time I sat down and ate a whole bowl of popcorn, and I enjoyed it. I haven't been able to sit down and eat a bowl of popcorn in years. And it was like, wow, as simple as a bowl of popcorn or an apple or anything like that. It's just, you just don't think anymore. You just sit down. I don't have to cut little bitty pieces. It's very comfortable. I have no pain. It's just it's a great situation to have. Dr. Kovacs is one of the nicest persons I met, so I would definitely recommend him for anybody who's looking for any major dental work.